Hello to everyone. I still remain Richard Okidi. Uh, actually, from where we stopped in Microsoft Word, today we have come to learn about the Microsoft Excel as well. The Microsoft Excel is actually a popular spreadsheet software that allows users to organize data, perform calculations, visualize data, analyze data, and it is actually used in various industries including business, education, research, and very many others. So today actually I want us to learn. Now you can actually get the Microsoft Excel, like for example when you come to the start bar here, and you can actually press Excel. It will bring for you, then you get it. Automatically it will open. You choose the blank workbook, and you actually get your Microsoft book. Now, in Microsoft Excel, a page like, for example, when we are dealing with Microsoft Word, we call a page a page. But in Microsoft Excel, a page is actually called a sheet. As you can see, I am in sheet 1. If I want to add another sheet, I actually this is sheet 2. I can still add sheet 3 in as long as I want as many sheets as possible I can add, and all of them are known as sheets. Now a combination of sheets actually makes what we call a workbook in Microsoft Excel. Compared to words, combination of pages forms a book, but in Microsoft Excel, combination of sheets forms a workbook. As simple as that. Then secondly, in Microsoft Excel, when you come here, when you look at the rows actually are aligned horizontally from maybe either the left to right or right to left. They are aligned horizontally, and the rows are numbered by maybe the figures from maybe 1 up to any number you want. Then when you look at the column, it runs vertically downward or upward. Like we have this one, we have this column. So the column is actually named alphabetically from A up to Z. So that is how it is named. Then secondly, where a row and a column is actually known as a cell reference or a cell. Like for example, if this row runs from number 1 up to if this row 1 here runs from A up to C, then the column also runs from maybe C1 up to C4. The middle here, this one is a cell reference, a cell which is bolded, and that is how they name. And then another thing is that a cell that has been bolded for the work to be done in is known as an active cell. Like for example, this cell here is known as an active cell where you can do any work. Like say I want to write something, so this is an active cell that I have. Then secondly, you can also use the formulas on the Excel, and when you are using formulas on Excel, you should be aware that all the formulas starts with equal sign. Like if I want to calculate something, you first start with equals to, maybe equals to, I want to add equals to sum, and you'll find that I will sum up what I want. So all the formulas starts with equals to. This is one way of opening Microsoft Excel on the computer. Another way of opening Microsoft Excel on the computer is also, let me say, you can actually come to the blank space on the computer and you actually right click on your mouse. Then you go to new. After going to new, you just go and choose the Microsoft Excel worksheet from here. And you have a new file or a new folder for Microsoft Excel. You can still open it on the computer. Dear listeners, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you pick something as far as computer knowledge is concerned. Thank you so much. Coming back next time to show you how you can actually apply this knowledge of Excel in a daily life. Thank you so much. Bye.